Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPad enthusiast like me, you know that the right accessories can take your tablet experience to the next level. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some of the best iPad accessories out there, from cases to styluses, stands, and more. Whether you've just bought a new iPad or you're looking to upgrade your current setup, we've got something for everyone, so let's dive right in. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. First up, we have the Zugu case. This case is a game changer. It's durable with a rigid bumper around the edges, making it perfect for protection. The magnetized cover keeps your screen safe and wakes your iPad automatically. One of the coolest features, you can adjust the screen to 8 different angles, making it super versatile. Plus, it even sticks to your fridge, and there's a handy spot for your Apple Pencil. The Zugu case is available for various iPad models and priced reasonably at around $70 to $80. It's a solid investment. Next, let's talk about the Apple Pencil. If you love drawing or taking handwritten notes, this is a must-have. The current lineup of iPads supports the Apple Pencil, and it's fantastic for precise, delay-free drawing. The second generation Pencil fixes the issues of its predecessor with magnetic attachment and wireless charging. For those who draw a lot, the latest Apple Pencil Pro offers amazing features like haptic feedback and tool orientation changes. It's perfect for artists, though a bit pricey. For a more budget-friendly option, check out the Logitech Crayon. It's thicker, making it great for kids, and offers excellent palm rejection and pressure sensitivity. At $70, it's a steal. Speaking of drawing, if you find your Apple Pencil uncomfortable after long use, you might want to try the paper-like pencil grips. They come in a 2-pack with grips for maximum comfort and precision. They are especially helpful if you experience hand cramps during extended drawing sessions. The new ergonomic precision version is also available for $20, and we'll be testing those soon. Need a sturdy yet affordable stand-up case? The Spigen Rugged Armor Pro is a fantastic choice. It offers full protection with a tough back cover and a magnetic latch. You can prop it up easily with 2 angle options. It's bulkier, but very reliable, especially on your lap. Alternatively, the Incipio SureView offers multiple viewing angles and is great for base model iPads. For those who prefer to keep their desks clutter-free, the 12 South Hoverbar Duo 2.0 is perfect. This arm mount can be attached to various surfaces, giving you adjustable height and angle for your iPad. It's especially useful for watching shows or cooking with your iPad mounted on a kitchen counter. It's versatile and sturdy. If you want a dedicated stand, the Satechi aluminum desktop stand is amazing. It's durable with adjustable hinges for perfect viewing angles. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for both home and travel. For a more portable option, the 12 South Compass Pro is a great choice. It sits compact and sturdy, easily fitting into any bag. If you're looking to turn your iPad into a productivity machine, the Logitech Combo Touch is the way to go. It features a detachable keyboard, trackpad, and kickstand. The backlit keys are perfect for dark environments, and it connects via Apple's Smart Connector, so no Bluetooth hassle. Newer versions are available for the latest iPad models. Another great option is the Zag Pro keys. It's more affordable, supports multiple devices, and offers a satisfying typing experience. Protecting your iPad's screen is crucial, and the Casetify Impact Screen Protector does an excellent job. It's thin, fingerprint resistant, and easy to apply, perfect for everyday use. For all the artists out there, the Sketchboard Pro expands your drawing surface, making it comfortable to sketch anywhere. It's a bit heavy, but the integrated handle and storage space for your stylus make it very convenient. You want to transform your iPad into a paper-like experience. The Astropad Rock Paper Pencil is fantastic. It's reusable, easy to apply, and gives a satisfying writing feel. Plus, the included pencil tips enhance the experience even more. The Lamical Gooseneck iPad holder offers great flexibility with its adjustable rod. It's perfect for watching movies or reading in bed. If you prefer a stand, the floor stand variant is also a great option. On a budget, the Zag Messenger Folio 2 is a fantastic keyboard case that won't break the bank. It's compact, has great key travel, and the fabric exterior looks sleek. It connects via Bluetooth and lasts for months on a single charge. For those who appreciate a touch of luxury, the Harbour London magnetic envelope sleeve is exquisite. It's made from full-grain leather and wool felt, offering elegant protection for your iPad. It even doubles as a stand. Nomad's modern leather case is another great option for adding a touch of class while protecting your iPad. If you prefer a separate keyboard, the Logitech K380 is a fantastic Bluetooth option. It's lightweight, connects to 3 devices, and comes in fun colors like pink. It's powered by batteries that last for months. For a more premium experience, the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini offers a portable mechanical keyboard with backlit keys and a reliable connection. If you want a roomier touchpad, I like Apple's thin and light Magic Trackpad 2. There are no physical buttons. Instead, Apple's Force Touch sensors let you feel various levels of pressure on the pad. You can also use some iPadist gestures on it, limiting the need to reach for the screen. It's amazingly slim and easy to take with you anywhere. It pairs via Bluetooth and, annoyingly, recharges with the Lightning port. Nearly all the current iPads charge via USB-C. Thankfully, you don't have to recharge it often. If you prefer a mouse, the Logitech Pebble $29 is tiny and slim. A bigger, more ergonomic gaming mouse might be a better option for a permanent desk setup, but for work on the go, the Pebble is a quiet clicker that pairs quickly and has a smooth scroll wheel. Using your iPad Air or Pro for work or school, you probably need to add more ports like an HDMI port to hook up the tablet to a bigger 4K screen or a headphone jack in case you need to use corded headphones. This one from Satechi kills 2 birds with 1 stone. It's a hub, so you get an HDMI port, USB-A 3.5mm audio port, South Dakota and microSD card reader, and a 60-watt USB-C charging port. But it also works as a stand, so you don't need a folio case or separate stand to prop the tablet up. The hub connects via USB-C. The cable hides away underneath. You can't change the viewing angle, but the stand folds up. It won't take up too much space in your backpack, and it's lightweight. However, if you plan on propping your tablet up vertically for video calls, you'll have to lean forward to get your face in the center of the frame. And there you have it, our top picks for the best iPad accessories. Whether you're looking to protect your iPad, enhance your drawing experience, or boost your productivity, these accessories have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments which accessory you're excited to try out, or if you have any other favorites we didn't mention. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace out.